Antarctica is vast and icy. It has long captured the imagination of scientists and explorers. It has also intrigued fans of conspiracy theories. Many speculate. They wonder if billionaires are involved. They are uncovering secrets hidden under the continent's frozen surface. At the core of this intrigue lies a tantalizing theory. It's about ancient civilizations. Maybe as legendary as Atlantis or Lemuria, they lurk beneath miles of ice. Supporters of this idea say there is strong evidence. For example, the Perry race map from 1513 shows Antarctica's coastline accurately. This was many years before it was officially discovered in 1820. Some strange things, like mysterious structures seen on satellite images, make people wonder. They think there might be hidden bases or remains of old civilizations. Germany's past trips to Antarctica, especially to New Swabia, are mysterious. Some believe secret missions happened. Operation High Jump, led by Admiral Richard E. Byrd in 1946 to 1947, adds to the speculation. There are stories of encounters with fast-flying objects hinting at non-human origins. Whistleblowers' stories mention advanced technology and aliens. This raises doubts about government secrets. Antarctica's isolation and rough weather make it perfect for hidden activities. This leads to theories about secret space programs and alien connections. Finding ancient artifacts or alien technology hidden under Antarctica's ice is exciting. Many are drawn to this allure. It excites the imagination. Finding relics like the Ark of the Covenant or the Holy Grail is a possibility. This adds layers to the appeal of the continent. Speculations about secret underground bases, equipped with state-of-the-art laboratories, fuel further intrigue. Strange geological formations, energy signatures, and unusual readings were found in Antarctica. They hint at potential alien technology or entrances to inner Earth. Missions to the continent may hide more secretive investigations. These may involve aliens or alien tech. Rumors say billionaires are meeting with aliens. They want to find advanced technology under the ice. Whoever controls this technology could change the balance of power worldwide. This has led to worries about a new world order starting in Antarctica. In this icy wilderness, the line between fact and fiction blurs. Antarctica is a symbol of mystery and intrigue. It invites exploration into realms beyond imagination. Antarctica is a place that many find fascinating and mysterious. Its icy landscapes have intrigued scientists, explorers, and conspiracy theorists. Some believe there are secrets hidden beneath its frozen surface. Intriguing ideas suggest Antarctica might have ancient secrets. They could be as mysterious as Atlantis or Lemuria. Ancient maps, such as the Perry race map from 1513, show Antarctica accurately. It did so before it was officially found in the 19th century. This makes people wonder, did skilled sailors explore these waters long ago? Supporters of these ideas mention evidence like strange structures seen in satellite images. These discoveries hint at hidden bases. They are remnants of old civilizations under the ice. They wait for brave explorers or secret agents to uncover them. The missions add to the intrigue. They include Germany's missions to New Swabia in the early 20th century. Some speculate they may have had hidden motives beyond exploration and research. Operation High Jump was led by Admiral Richard E. Byrd in 1946 to 1947. It is notable for accounts of encounters with mysterious flying objects. They hinted at a non-human origin. This sparked wide speculation and conspiracy theories. But it's not just historical missions that fuel suspicion. Whistleblowers have come forward with accounts of encountering extraordinary phenomena in Antarctica. They describe massive underground facilities and advanced technologies far beyond human abilities. The claims allege the government tried to suppress Antarctica. They also tried to restrict access to parts of it. The claims deepen the mystery there. Many think that Antarctica is a hub for secret space programs. They also think it is a hub for alien-human collaborations. Its extreme remoteness and harsh climate fuels such rumors. They provide the perfect cover for secret operations away from prying eyes. The allure of finding old artifacts or alien tech under the ice is exciting. The theories range from ancient pyramids to entrances to inner Earth. Moreover, rumors persist. They say billionaires are whisked away to secret meetings in the Antarctic wilderness. There, they allegedly talk with extraterrestrial beings and plot global governance. The power from controlling alien technology is hidden under Antarctica's icy surface. This is a concern. It could lead to a new world order orchestrated by a global elite. They operate from the continent's secluded environs. This frozen wilderness is at the bottom of the world. Reality blurs with fiction here. Antarctica is a symbol of intrigue and mystery. It calls explorers. It also calls conspiracy theorists. They seek to uncover the truth hidden under its icy surface. The intrigue around Antarctica deepens. so do the layers of mystery shrouding this enigmatic continent. Below the surface lies a vast expanse of ice and snow. It holds a realm of secrets waiting to be unraveled by the brave. This idea has captured the imagination of scholars and conspiracy theorists. It is the notion that ancient civilizations once thrived in Antarctica. They left behind traces of their existence buried beneath the frozen landscape. Evidence, such as the Perry Race map from 1513, shows Antarctica's coast well. This was long before modern exploration. It suggests that ancient seafarers may have sailed these icy waters long ago. But it's not just the distant past that intrigues researchers and explorers. It's also the chance of hidden knowledge and advanced tech under the ice. Satellite imagery reveals tantalizing anomalies. They are structures that defy explanation, and they hint at activity below the surface. Are these the remnants of ancient civilizations? Or are they evidence of recent secret operations? The history of expeditions to Antarctica adds another layer to the mystery. Germany had missions to New Swabia in the early 20th century. They are noteworthy. So are Operation High Jump, led by Admiral Richard E. Byrd in the late 1940s. People have seen unidentified flying objects and strange phenomena during the expeditions. These accounts have fueled speculation. They are about aliens or advanced tech hidden under the ice. Whistleblowers have come with tales of underground facilities. They also talk of encounters with otherworldly beings. This has added to speculation. It's about what lies hidden in Antarctica's vast subglacial depths. Government cover-ups and attempts to suppress information are alleged. They only add to the air of conspiracy around the continent. But most intriguing are the rumors. They say billionaires meet with aliens in the Antarctic. The stories are of sharing technology and talking about humanity's future. They paint a picture of secret dealings far from the eyes of the world. Speculation mounts and theories abound. Antarctica is a blank canvas for wild imagination. Its extreme remoteness and harsh climate make it perfect for tales. The tales are of hidden knowledge, ancient civilizations, and extraterrestrial encounters. The wilderness is frozen. Reality and fantasy blur here. The search for truth continues. It draws explorers and conspiracy theorists deeper into the unknown. Antarctica shows that many mysteries remain on our planet. The continent's icy expanses hold secrets. They range from ancient civilizations to hidden technologies and possible encounters with extraterrestrials. These secrets continue to elude our understanding. Speculation swirls and conspiracy theories abound. One thing is clear: Antarctica captures the imagination. It does so like few other places on Earth. Its extreme remoteness and harsh climate add to its allure. They draw adventurers and researchers alike into a realm where reality and myth meet. The truth may lie in ancient artifacts buried beneath the ice, or it may lie in secret operations by world powers or encounters with beings from other worlds. Antarctica remains a tantalizing mystery waiting to be solved. We continue to explore and uncover the secrets of this frozen frontier. One thing is clear: the quest for knowledge has no bounds. Antarctica will forever be a beacon of mystery in our growing understanding of the world. There are still hundreds of unsolved mysteries. We will uncover them on Mystery Unity. Subscribe for more incredible mystery videos.